Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to River Mountain Trails. This is the newest KB community, single story community here in Henderson. And in this video, we are going to be touring the Plan 1909, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. And what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Okay guys, so today we're here at River Mountain Trails, the newest KB single story community out here in Henderson. Now, just to give you guys an idea where we're located, all the way in the east side guys, we're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Now we're right next to Cadence, but we're actually not in Cadence. We're also really close to Lake Las Vegas. So it's about an 8-minute drive to Lake Las Vegas and about a 30-minute drive to the airport and Strip. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So this community offers 5 different floor plans, all single story, ranging from 1644 all the way up to 2242 square feet, with the base prices ranging from $430 all the way up to $490, okay? Now, when you guys see those base price, just know that if you want to calculate your total cost, you have to add in the upgrades as well as the lot premiums. Now here, upgrades are going to range from, typically on average, buyers are putting in about 10% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as the lot premium goes, lot premiums in this community are going to range about $5,000 to $60,000, okay? Now, I will show you guys kind of a map of the lots here in this community. If you could see lower on the map, you're going to have like lots 33, 32, 34, 31. Those are going to be the larger lots, guys. So those are going to be the ones with a $60,000 lot premiums. And what's actually really cool about those lots is you do have room to park an RV there, okay? Some of the other lots up top, if they're kind of in the corner, those are going to be about $30,000. And some of the lots in the inside are going to be about $5,000, okay? More information on the community, you guys. The HOA is $150 a month. Now, what that's going to include, gated neighborhood. You're going to have a really nice park. You're also going to have really nice like walking trails around the area, which, you know, it's connected to the other walking trails here in Henderson. There's going to be 59 lots here. The average lot square feet is going to range from 4,700 all the way up to 10,000. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Plan 1901. Now, this is a single story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $455,990. Okay. Now, what you see here, desert landscaping is included, paver driveway. Now, if you build from lot up, you have a choice between 3 different elevations. Now, the elevation is just how the outside of the house looks. So there might be some elevations without the stacked brick right there, but I'm guessing that's going to be, the stacked brick is going to be a little bit more expensive. As far as the garage, inside the garage, you're going to have a tankless water heater in there as well. That's standard, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. And then guys, if you are interested in a new build community, make sure you give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below, or let your realtor know. The very first time that you go into a new build community, you definitely want a realtor with you. Otherwise, they won't let you be represented later. And you definitely want representation, guys, because our job is to look after your best interests. You know, we try to negotiate for you, and the builders pay the agent fees, okay? So it's definitely a win-win scenario. So even if you're interested in a new build community, try not to call in and give them your information, because once they register you without an agent, like I said, they won't let you have representation later, okay? Now, welcome to the floor plan, guys. So as soon as you walk in, we do have the upgraded 9-foot ceiling. So in this community, standard is going to be the 8-foot ceiling. Okay, so the 9-foot ceiling is definitely an upgrade that I recommend. It just opens everything up. Now the flooring here is upgraded. The standard flooring for KB is you're going to get it's like the 17 by 17 ceramic tile, only in the wet areas, you guys. So the wet areas is going to include the entryway, the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry room. And then you would have carpet all throughout. So another common upgrade for buyers to do is to always upgrade hard flooring all throughout. They typically leave the carpet in the bedrooms though. So here, we'll just take a quick glance. Right over here, you're gonna have one of the bedrooms. You have this office space right here. Could be converted into another bedroom. You're gonna have your primary bedroom all the way in the corner. And this is your kitchen. You have your pantry, living room and dining room. Living room and dining room. So yeah, let's get started with the front. So after you walk through that front door, right over here, you're gonna have your first bedroom. Okay. Now this bedroom is, I wanna say this room is about 11 by 12. Okay, you do have this nice large window right here. So this is 11 by 12. You're gonna have your standard closet right over there. Now this bed is gonna be a full-size bed. So as you can see, there's definitely some good walking space towards the sides. You're gonna get the orange peel texture for sure. That's gonna be standard. And then I think as far as the baseboards go, what's standard is a 3.5-inch baseboards and the 2.5-inch door casings. So we have like the modern flat top baseboards right there. I think these are gonna be about 4-inch baseboards. You also have your transfer grill right up there, help regulate the airflow. And another thing you guys should know when you build from lot up, guys, is you're most likely going to do a bunch of upgrades when it comes to like the electrical, because in rooms standard, there's not going to be like any lights whatsoever. So a lot of times what most buyers do is they'll add the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, so that way they could either put a fan or a light up there. Now the pre-wire to the ceiling fan is included in the grate area in the primary bedroom, but none of the other bedrooms. So right here is going to be your full bath. So you have your dual sinks. Okay. Now we have your optional faucets, the matte black faucet. Now this granite material is standard in bathrooms. Okay, so if you want to cut costs, well, this granite material is pretty good and it looks nice. Okay, we have the optional white cabinets with the black handles. Now the standard cabinets with KB is going to be like your maple cabinetry. Okay, the shower tub combo right here. Okay, and you have your standard toilet. Right here, we're gonna have your linen closet. As we go right over here, so this is gonna be one of your bedrooms. Now, the garage is actually open here. So, interesting. Looks like they were gonna make this an office because there's carpet in here. But you do have the tankless water heater. That's your irrigation for the how you schedule your irrigation for your driplet systems in the front. Okay, your water valves will be right there. Now this is guest bedroom number 2. Okay. It's kind of nice that these bedrooms are actually separated, so they're not all on one side of the house. Like that first one we saw was front of the house. This is more towards the side. Okay, so we got your standard closet right here. So this is gonna be your powder room. This is the guest bathroom. Okay, pedestal sink. And you have your toilet right here. Now this room can be converted into a bedroom if you like. Otherwise, if you wanted to keep it like this office space, I mean, I think this would be a great place to, you know, if you work remote, which many people do. Here you got those 2 large windows. Right over here, we're gonna have your coat closet. And then this is gonna be your main living area. Okay, so very cozy. Quite a few windows in here, so you do have that large slider. Now, if you do the upgrade to the 9-foot ceiling, you'll have that 8-foot slider, that 8x8 slider. Yeah, we got these windows to the side. So welcome to the kitchen. Okay. Now the included countertop for the kitchen is actually going to be a granite. So if you want to do something like quartz, you could definitely, that's definitely an option as well. If you want to change the thickness of the quartz, you could do that as well. Okay. Now, as far as these cabinets that are on top of this, well, this cabinet that's on top of the refrigerator, that is optional. Okay, so you got your pantry right here. So some decent space here. You have some room up top. You have some room at the bottom. And then washer, dryer, and refrigerator are not included, all right? But if you want to buy it with the builder, you know, their rates are actually, they're pretty competitive with like the stores. So the dishwasher would be included. Now, it looks like this model, they have the upgraded kitchen package. Otherwise, you'd have like the oven, cooktop. But right here, you have the built-in cooktop. Okay. The backsplash is optional. As far as the cabinets go, this is optional as well. If you want the 42-inch cabinets and you want it in white, that'd be optional. Otherwise, the standard would be a 36-inch, like maple color, maple cabinetry. So nice. We got this microwave oven. Okay, so this is your view from the kitchen. So, you know, you could definitely cook, watch some TV. Very nice living room area. Love this large slider. Now, again, guys, as far as the lot square footage here, on average, you're gonna get about 4,700 square feet. But they do have larger lots as well, in case you wanted, you know, something a little bit bigger. The covered patio is optional. Okay. Now, if you have the covered patio, pretty sure you're gonna have these pavers right underneath it. And then everywhere else, you're just gonna have a dirt lot, guys. So you could, you know, normally have about a year to do the landscaping in the backyard. Got some high walls right here. It's great for privacy. Okay, so the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, this will come included in the great room, okay? And then here is their KB is pretty energy efficient, so there's just some information on that. Now the washer and dryer is conveniently located right next to the primary bedroom, which is nice. You do have your smart panel box right here, so that's going to be where you set up your internet modem and your router. And then also these this 2-panel door, this is going to be standard. So these are not upgraded doors, but the black hardware is. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So this is going to be a king size bed. Okay, so there's plenty of room in the primary bedroom. So let's check out the primary bath. So you have your 2 sinks right here. You're gonna have your water closet. You also have your upgraded walk-in shower. Now, if you didn't have this option, it would be the shower tub combo. Okay, 2 the undermount sinks. Like I said, guys, remember this countertop right here. This is a standard option, so it's a great standard feature, a quartz countertop in the bathroom. All right, now welcome to the walk-in closet. Okay, so you have some good space here. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Info is going to be in the description below, guys. And if you're looking for a realtor, someone who's very familiar with the new build process, who has relationships with the builder agents, give me a call, guys. Also, if you're curious about like any incentives that the builders offer, just give me a call. Okay, I'm always available for you guys. But yeah, until then, I will catch you guys next video.